Hi, this is Mike and you are watching Mimic Media. In this video I show you how I built my custom-made YouTube background wall with LED lighting and acoustic treatment. For that I used Fibrotech Acoustic Panels, which I attached to a 40mm aluminum profile frame. Because the 10mm acoustic felt on the Fibrotech panels doesn't absorb enough sound, I also added 40mm of mineral wool behind the panels. This is the first part of a series of videos. In this one I focus on the construction of the panels. If you want to see how I made the LED lighting, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. But let's get started. For the first step, I built the frame which I mounted on the wall, so I can attach the acoustic panels. You can use wood for it instead, but with these aluminum profiles you can work very precise, and as an engineer I don't like to work with wood. Next, I prepared the mineral wool for the absorbers. I wrapped them in a layer of foil so that no particles got into the air after I mounted them in my living room. This has no negative influence on the sound absorption. Here I cut some spacers to level the frame. After I centered the frame, I marked it with tape. Drilled the holes for the mounting brackets and attached the frame to the wall. Then I put in the absorber material. Because I use metric screws and slat nuts, I can easily attach the panels with self-tapping screws. I had to align the slat nuts exactly to their position. I took the measurements from my CAD design I made with SolidWorks. Then I put the panels in position. Cut away the leftover piece of felt. and mark the holes to attach the panels. So that I don't scratch the panels when I'm drilling, I used a piece of the leftover felt I cut it before. Now it was time to see if all measurements was right and finally attach the panels to the frame. Here I made a small cut to release the trapped air of the wrapped absorber.
Wow, this was
and mount the last Fibrotech segment.
Das ist deine Reaction dazu, dass es hier perfekt passt?
Ja.
Das kommt mit ins Video.
This is the final result. I think it already looks amazing and improved the room acoustic a lot. Stay tuned for the next part, where I will add the LED lighting.